friends, good morning. And yesterday I went to the grocery store. I bought some meat, and then I check, guys, my vegetable, especially my zucchini or courgette, and oh my god, it's big and ready to harvest, guys. So we are going to harvest that, and I'm going to cook it for lunch. Yes, guys. So hopefully I can cook it before my girls will arrive, or before I go and pick them up. Yes, guys, and I am very excited because yeah, we are going to try and eat, guys, our first zucchini ever for this summer. So yay, very excited. So let's go, guys, and harvest. Hello, guys. So this is the weather the whole week like this, guys, and almost every afternoon it rains, and we are happy because we need water, we need rain. Yeah, so let's go and harvest, guys. Russell is going there. Ready? Alright, guys, so here is our zucchini patch, and I want to show you guys how big the zucchinis are now. OMG, look at that. Wow, look at that, guys. It grew a lot, and we have more in here. I am very happy, guys, with this zucchinis. Yeah, and the other one too is, wow, it's huge, it's enormous. Yay. Woohoo! So we're going to harvest this too, guys. Zucchini. Mwah. So we're going to harvest the other one too, guys. OMG, guys, it looks like this one is quite hard already. I'm not sure, but we are going to cook this one, guys, today. Yeah, so these are the two zucchinis that are ready, and I still have more, guys. Yeah, I still have more this side. Yeah, very happy. We are going to try our first zucchini ever this summer 2023. Yay! Alright, guys, so these are our zucchinis, and this one is perfect. I mean, just really good. So we are going to eat this, guys, for lunch. Alright, guys, so I am thinking what I'm going to cook with this one, what dish I'm going to cook, guys. And then I suddenly remember while I am walking around here in our garden, and I saw that, OMG, my French green beans, they have a lot of green beans, guys. So we are going to harvest that as well, and I am going to cook it, guys. The green beans, this ones, I'm going to saute it with our pumpkin last summer, so I still have that and still good. And then I will add some meat. We have lots of onions, but I have onions upstairs too. But I am thinking what more or what other vegetables I can add into our dish. Okay, guys, so I'm so excited. I will show you. Okay, guys, so we are going to harvest these, guys, these French green beans, and we are going to cook them. Yeah, I planted only few, but look, they have a lot. Alright, guys, so let's harvest. This one is prolific, guys, this variety. Wow, very nice. pang-ulam na tayo, guys. Very excited, really. So, I think I have to plant more, guys. Yeah, because this one is really prolific. Yes. And they grow so fast and they bear fruit or vegetables that fast as well. So, yeah. Yay! Let's go, let's go, let's go.